Hello everyone, I'm Brian and welcome to my channel, What's That Part? On my channel I educate my audience about the different parts in a car, their functions, common failures, and the cost of repair or replacement. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just looking to learn more about your vehicle, this is the channel for you. So sit back, relax, and join me on this journey of discovering the inner workings of your car. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get started. What's that part? Alternators. So what are alternators? An alternator is a type of electrical generator that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy and is usually found in a car's engine bay. The main function of an alternator in a car is to keep the battery charged and to power all the electrical components in the vehicle while the engine is running. This includes headlights, radio, vehicle's computer, and other electrical systems. As some of you may know, unfortunately alternators can fail. Some common causes of failure are worn out or damaged bearings, stator, rotor, wires, connectors, or a failing voltage regulator in the alternator. Neglecting proper maintenance, such as not regularly checking and replacing the drive belt, can also lead to a faulty alternator. In addition to this, diodes in the rectifier can prevent the alternator from producing enough voltage, especially when under high demand for power from the vehicle's electrical systems. To prevent alternator failure, it's important to regularly maintain your alternator. This includes checking and replacing the drive belt, keeping an eye on the alternator's output voltage, and regularly checking for worn or damaged connectors and wires to the alternator. The cost of automotive alternators can vary greatly, with aftermarket alternators costing anywhere from $50 to $300, and OEM alternators costing $100 to $500 or more. It is also important to keep in mind the cost of labor, which is separate from the cost of parts. The average hourly rate for a mechanic can range from $50 to $100 per hour, but can be higher for luxury and import car dealerships or certified mechanics. Some mechanics may charge a flat rate for services and offer discounts for larger jobs or repeat customers. The total cost of replacing an alternator can commonly range from $300 to $600, including the cost of the new alternator, labor, and any necessary parts. It is also always recommended to check with a trusted mechanic or dealership for a specific price quote and to get multiple quotes for price comparison to ensure you are getting a fair deal. As a final piece of advice, I recommend always ask if you may bring your own parts to your mechanic or dealership for installation. Doing this may help you save some money by finding the best priced parts online or at your local automotive parts store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about automotive parts, maintenance, and money saving tips.